Been helping my son try to figure out what was wrong with his truck for the past 2.5, 3 days, something like that. Finally, he tells me the truth. I knew he had been out in the woods, but he swore up and down he wasn't in any water. But turns out he did sink it in a hole and got a bunch of water in the gas tank. It's a '03 Ford pickup. It blows my mind. Something so simple. We changed all the sensors and everything. It'd crank over, just wouldn't do nothing. Once we got all the water out of the gas tank, cranked right up. Hope this helps somebody out.